Hi, my name is Mary. I'm here to show you a Sundance. It's a 2021 221 RB, and I'm excited to show you this floor plan, so come on and look inside. So what I really like about the Sundance is that there's a solid step as soon as you come into the unit, and you can see the floor plan is very open, great for a family, small family, or even for just a couple. You've got a great amount of counter space, which is always helpful when you're cooking. A really big TV, it's an oversized TV. Lots of windows to give you a lot of natural light. And then in the bathroom, there is a corner shower with lots of storage on the end of this unit also. The outdoor awning is going to keep you covered, has outdoor speakers so you can enjoy special times with your family and your guests. This unit does have a power jack for easy setup. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please give me a call. My name is Mary. 406-850-4590. I'd love to help you.